police activity right outside my apartment, and I'm not sure exactly what's happening, but they've got it cordoned off. They've got police tape, as we can see right here. So I'm within the zone, and there's police cars way, that's 2 blocks over by Atwater. This is quite an incident scene, and it's happening right outside my apartment. That where they are right now with that person with the dog has been there the whole time. This sounds like they've got a drone happening. There's a sound. Oh, there it is. There's the drone, police drone. Check it out. God. Hey, Adam in Loud Labs, New York. Check it out, baby. I've come across a crime scene. Hey, Scott Lane, how do you like me now? Hey, Alien, how do you like me now? Right overhead. Right overhead. And actually, I'm out here mostly looking for the full moon, which you can see is right there. Look at that beautiful sturgeon moon. Has been there for a couple of days now, and as you can see, the whole apartment building here, the whole street, we face southeast. So every full moon is right in our field of view. So that's why I'm such a lunatic. But check out this crime scene here. And I can't wait to get to look at this video on a bigger screen, because there's more light. I can see more from the cameras. So there appears to be You tell me, I haven't got a clue what the hell is going on. But this has been going on. I had time to have supper. As a lovely chicken strips and French fries with sweet and sour barbecue sauce and brown sugar barbecue sauce. Excellent. And then I had ice cream with wafers. And then I had a San Pellegrino soft drink. And now I'm having a coffee. And I'm hoping to catch some perseid showers. But this is fascinating. I feel like AXN News. You know, this is going to make the papers tomorrow for sure. For sure. I mean, it's my second time seeing drone activity in the police activity. You might recall a couple of years ago, a police officer got shot in the alleyway over there towards where I'm pointing, and they had a huge drone the next day over flying the area. But this is the first time that I see a drone deployed. He's right overhead. And the first time I see a drone deployed in active police crime scene, you know, where apparently something has just occurred. So normally, something of this magnitude of a police response here would be that there's been a fatality. There's been a stabbing or a shooting, and in this neighborhood that's entirely possible. As a matter of fact, the area where we're looking right now, since COVID, there have been 3 or 4 major fatalities, crimes. So it's been quite I'm sorry to say, I'm not proud to say that I live in one of the deadliest neighborhoods in Montreal. So I'm gonna cut it short here, and if there's anything something's going on. Oh, I live here.
Go back inside.
J'habite ici.
Go back inside.
Okay.
It's an order. Go back inside.
Thank you very much. I will do that immediately.
All right. Thank you, sir.
How are you today?